A tornado to topple a tree. I mean, a damaging wind can do that. And as HB mentioned, if they're moving at 60 miles per hour, the translational winds will be 60 miles per hour. So we're going to see some very strong gusts regardless if we see tornadoes. Widen it out again. Look at the tornado watches. New York State all back to all back to South Carolina. And yes, 2-3 inches of snow in Chicago today. So, all right, what about the wind gusts? Well, this is going to happen separate of the tornadoes, okay? Very strong winds ahead of this, gusting up to 36 miles per hour. By 3 a.m. in the morning, winds are still gusting 34, 30 miles per hour in D.C. And look at tomorrow morning. 36 mile per hour wind gusts downtown. Winds could be over 50 west of the divide. And then by 11:15, severe weather's gone, but the winds aren't. Winds are still gusting to 41 in Leesburg and 41 in Gaithersburg. Yes, it's a forecast. It's a snapshot in time. But still, we're going to have some very strong winds once the front passes. Even at 3:45, winds are still gusting over 40 miles per hour. Would not be surprised to see a wind advisory posted to our northern and western suburbs and the mountains tomorrow. Certainly, once we get through the severe weather, we can worry about that. All right, HB, take us through the rest of the forecast.
Yeah, we're going to watch those storms. So timing for tonight, we'll see them coming off toward the east, approaching Winchester here as we head toward midnight, maybe 12:30 at the latest. Toward D.C., probably around 2, maybe 2:30. This will be the main show for us overnight in the metro. Then this is going to move off toward the east and southeast so that by 4:30, it's on the eastern shore. We're done here other than a couple of leftover showers, and it'll pull away, leaving us with cold and windy conditions for tomorrow. We'll top out near 70 at midnight for the official high for today. But you know what? We're going to be mainly in the 50s with a stiff wind tomorrow. I would dress for 40, so yes, heavier coats needed. Tonight, some storms will be severe. Showers and storms ending late, 58 to 64. Winds turning to the west at 15 to 20 and gusty. Quite windy tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny, 50s and 60s. And the afternoon may be primarily in the 50s with those gusts of 40, maybe even 45 miles an hour. Tuesday, pleasant, chilly, 30s and 40s in the morning, but 70 in the afternoon. Comfortable Wednesday at 72. Warmer Thursday. We'll get into the upper 60s, I should say. It's been a long day, Topper. And then as we head toward Friday, another round of showers and storms looks likely in 75.
All right, so for now, we just got to get through tonight.
Yeah, until about 3 a.m., I think at 4 a.m. in the immediate metro, then we'll be all right. But remember, the winds tomorrow, gust to 40 anyway. So
yeah, so strong.
Keep that in mind.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Okay.
All right, still ahead here tonight. While getting around town is going to require a little more effort for those of you who rely on these electric bikes. We'll be right back.
This is the 30th anniversary when the city's most notorious drug dealer, Rayful Edmond, was arrested.
I seen somebody at that time that was bigger than life.
He's now trying to get out of prison. We'll look back Monday night.
What's the #1 GM dealer doing in April?
We're giving buyers up to 125% for their trade.
What does that mean?
If your car's worth $8,000, Coons will give you 10. Coons Chevy Buick GMC in Tyson's.
There's nothing wrong with high tech, but sometimes you just need to say goodbye tech, like during the Great Gatherings Made in the Shade event. Save big on amazing selections of outdoor furniture that let you create the hottest spot in town, right in your own backyard. Pool tables, bars, and other game room favorites are 50% off. Our showroom has hundreds of choices to fit any budget. Great memories start with Great Gatherings. Get a free umbrella with select sets.
Greater is striving for more, being stronger. Greater is the University of Maryland Capital Region Health. Because here, Greater is being ranked in the nation's top 10% for coronary bypass surgery. Greater is having one of the state's leading trauma centers with outstanding survival rates. And its community physicians and University of Maryland School of Medicine physicians working together to bring greater care closer to home.
Progress is confidence in chaos. Innovative safety and driver assistance technologies like Audi Presence, found in the Audi Q7. Get an exceptional offer at your local Audi dealer.